So today's video is a cooking video that doesn't involve any cooking. And we're going to demonstrate how we freeze chicken soup. And we make three dishes that use celery, carrots, and onions. And the thing with that is we probably with one stalk of celery or one bunch of celery and one bag of carrots, we have enough to make all three dishes. And the chicken pan pie, well, it would never make it to the freezer. We eat that up right away. And we might try this with chop suey, but the one dish that lends itself to freezing would be the chicken soup. And we don't want to waste carrots or celery or onions, though the onions will stay for quite a while. So what we're doing is we had this last night, and this is what's left over. It's been in the refrigerator, and Tammy's getting it ready. We're going to divide it equally. Each one should be enough in a container for us to have for supper again. And it's kind of good to have chicken soup in the freezer on hand. If I need to take it out and warm it up if she's sick, I can feed it to her if I need it, and she does wants to get it quickly. So, but we have a special process for this because the containers like this, these plastic containers, are high value around our house. We don't want to leave them in the freezer for months at a time. So, but they're ready to go in the freezer, and you know, just pop the lids on and put it in the freezer for now. And we'll take this back out tomorrow when it's fully frozen. Okay, and get them in there, make some room. We'll spread them out. And so we take them out the next day, and Tammy just pops it from the bottom, some thumb pressure on it, and it releases. If it doesn't release, just like we used to do with the plastic ice cube trays, just run it upside down under some hot water for a minute or so, and that should get it to release. And then, you know, just like that, you just pop it up from the bottom, and you're just going to put it in there. And these freezer bags are like 20 cents a piece. So they're also kind of a high premium around here. But what we can do with this, because it's being stored in a frozen state and it's going to be taken out like that, we can reuse these bags over and over again. So that's not an issue. So we're just going to get the second one in there, put them back in the freezer, and we're all set. Very simple idea. And like I said, next I think we'll try this with what's left over for chop suey because we usually have enough for 2 days. And I think the chop suey might freeze all right. We don't know. We'll find out. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Take care.